Okay, sir. So, very good afternoon. How are you today?
Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
Yeah, I am also fine. I am great. So, may I know your introduction little bit? Because already I know about you.
Yes, definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal. And by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But right now also I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Yeah. And apart from also I'm running my one YouTube channel which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction. And ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to say something. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Introduce myself in front of you. So I am Preeti. I am from UP in District Mau. Currently, I am living in Greater Noida. Apart from that, I am learning this language as well as I teach some students at home. And I am a homemaker. If I talk about my qualifications, I have done graduation from home science, and I am a homemaker. That's all introduction. Thank you so.
Yes, it is good to know about yourself. And ma'am, first of all, please tell me how is your practice going on?
Yeah, it's going on, and whenever I get so much time, so that time I practice a lot. But you can say, being a homemaker, we don't have so much time. Like there is a very noisy area, so that's why. But it's good.
Yes. And right now, also being a housewife, you have a lot of work in your house. And right now, also you are learning this language as well as also you are also teaching few students. But how did you manage your time?
Yeah, not big deal. It's happened like I. Every person has a lot of work, and every person have to. Mental manage our work, so it is not big deal. It's happened. I am happy with my life. There is no any doubt, because it is my responsibility to handle this situation, this work. Yes.
Yes. Yes. And ma'am, you have told me you are also teaching few students. But do you teach online or offline?
Like I am nowadays I am trying to teach online classes, as well as offline is going very long time, like 2 years. But online classes I try for 15 days, so it is good.
And do you teach English or others?
At home.
Do you teach English subject or other subject?
Online classes on online.
Do you teach? Yes. Do you teach English subject or other subject?
Only English spoken classes. I teach both classes, online and offline. So online classes I spoken classes I run, and at home, so I teach all subject.
Yes. And ma'am, how long have you been learning this language? I mean,
Yeah,
English.
I have been a very long time to this learning language. You can say I have done 1 year. I have completed 1 year, but now I am really passionate about to learn this language. Like literally, I want to become like a native speakers little bit. So I am focusing 6 month regularly.
Yes. And ma'am, you right now also you are speaking English very well, and you belong to UP. But where do you live in UP? Village area or town area?
Currently, I am living in Greater Noida.
Yes. And do you have a good environment for speaking English about your house?
No. Here, anyone understand this language, and there is no any environment. And you can say it's a very big deal, like how to create environment surrounding myself, but there is no any things, and it's very tough situation for me. So I live in my house every anytime. So that time I uh, study on my phone and I talk to on people on a Skype app. And yeah, there is no so much environment. Okay. So please tell me, sir, what's going on your life? Like, how is you going to practice?
Yes, actually, I work in a hospital. That's why also I have to do shifting duty. Yeah, I have to do shifting duty morning, evening, night. Yeah, that's also I am very busy person, and being a family member, I have to do lot of work in my family because I am the one earning member in my family. Yeah, that's why also I don't get free time. But whenever I get free time, I always try to connect with another person for my improve my English skill. Yeah, and in the morning time I am free. Today also I will go to the night duty. In the daytime I am free, and that's also I am practicing right now.
Yes, yes. You are doing hard work, like you manage your work and as well as your speaking journey. So it's very difficult situation, but it is your responsibility if you doing hard work nowadays. So definitely in future, you will set your life.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. You belong to UP, and ma'am, earlier did you join any coaching center? Did you join any institute for your speaking English?
Yes, sir. Because that time I started my journey. So earlier days, you can say I had not a smartphone. So it is not possible to anything if I have not. So how to learn this language? So that time I realized somehow I have to learn this language. So I joined an institute. But you can say after going 6 months, after completed 6 months, it is not possible to speak this language because any institute, all teachers only teach rule, grammar rule, like which type of sentence you can make, but it is not possible to speaking part. So after 6 months I got phone, so I realized how to speak English confidently. So again I start this journey with phone, and now I'm here.
Yes, yes. And you have completed your 6 month in a coaching center. After that, also using your smartphone, you are learning this language. Ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. Nowadays, I notice that many YouTuber they are always making the thumbnail. How did you learn English just 15 days? How did you learn English just 30 days? And ma'am, what do you think? Is it possible or not?
No, 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 no. There is my opinion. Like I also say that I would like to say something about that topic, because suppose that you are a beginner, you don't have knowledge about anything, English grammar and English subject, English anything, and your level is totally zero. So you have to take time. You have to take time how to learn this language, as well as how to make sentences, and you have to take time, like what is phrases, idioms, grammar, and preposition, fillers. There are lots of rules. So
Yeah,
you don't have knowledge about that, so you have to know about that a very long time. So it will take time if you consistency follow, if you can consistency follow, and from scratch level, so definitely you will take time 1 year. But
yeah,
some people here, they have knowledge about that all grammar rule, and only they want to speak English confidently. So they are practicing 2 3 months. So definitely, their level is up. Like when I am speaking this journey, I am speaking right now. So as much as that people can do this work, but if I talk about very like a zero level and to here, so it will take time, and minimum maximum like a 1 year complete, 1 year. But it is not right, like to learn this language only 30 days and 50 days and 6 months. No, only this matter depends on person to person, how much going to, how much I am going to efforts, how much I am going to do hard work in my journey in my life. So you can say, being a mother, being a homemaker, I don't have so much time to follow consistency, to follow only this rule, because I am a human being. I have work, and I have to manage my all things. I have to take care of my family. And if I will study in night, so when I sleep and I am not sleeping on time, so I have lot of problems, like eyes problems, head problems. So it is a journey, and don't take serious. Learning journey it's good, but don't take too serious. Like when I get fluency, when I get achieve my goal. No, it is part of your life. Definitely, gradually, if you will follow consistency, so one day you will become a good fluency speaker, and you can achieve your goal one day definitely. So yeah, I would like to say, anybody don't take serious this matter. It will your life, and you have to learn everything every day. There is no doubt.
Yes, yes, you are right. Actually, uh, in our country there is no good English environment. Yeah, that's why also always it will take time. Yeah, just 15 days and just 30 days it is not possible according to me also. And and I have I have been learning this language for a long time, maybe 2 years, but I have been speaking English about 1 year, but I have been learning this language for 2 years, because when before speaking English I have completed the all grammatical rules. Yeah, that's why also I have been learning this language for a long time. And ma'am, right now also you are speaking English very well right now. But who motivated you for speaking English?
Only only my problems, because I have lot of problems, and I can't share everything because no one can understand me when I am not able to get succeed. So it is my thought, like when I get success, so definitely I will tell you all my story. But you can say, if I am able to hear, I am here this point. So only my problems, only just because my problems, because when I my life when I get some problems in my life, that time I will motivate, like I have to do this work anywhere, doesn't matter how much I am going to do efforts and how much I have to problem, like that's problem become inspiration me, because how to face these problems and how to uh, live with this problem, and I have to go to hell the mountain. So you can say, no one helper me and no one supporter me. Only this is my thought. When I get motivated, so only my problems. And
Yes,
there are lots of people, and every person has a lot of problems. But you can say my problems is a very changing, a very tough. Like if I will not live, if I will if I don't want to live in this world, so there is no anyone who's care me. So
yes.
you can.
Yes, and my next question is, and right now also, you being a housewife, you have a lot of struggle in your family, and you have been learning this language for a long time. I know also it is not a piece of cake, it is not a cup of tea. You are learning this new language, and that's why also you had to struggle a lot of you had to struggle a lot. But my next question is, after speaking English right now, are you happy in your life?
Yes, sir. Better than before life. Nowadays it is very good, going good. But you can say, when I am here today, so I have lot of dream, like how to achieve my goal, how to manage my work, because there is a one problems who faces every day, like where my husband works in company. So they have lot of work. You can say he goes to in the morning 8 o'clock, and he will come in the night 12, in the night 12.
Oh
So
yes.
and had lot of problem like he has hurt in their leg. So this is very problem like how to face, and I am not able to go anywhere and can do anything. So that's why little bit problem like how to do my work, how to uh, earn some money, like how to manage my all things. And I am
Yes,
living in Noida, so I have to pay my rented house, and yeah, lots of, so that's why little bit I am uh, suffered a lot. But yeah, you say, but before I started my journey, and now I am very happy with my life because I teach some students. But I can't go to outside. I have my daughter. She is like a little bit under the weather always, so I have to take care of my daughter. But I
yes,
am
yes.
happy.
Yes. And ma'am, you have a one daughter, but how old is she?
She is 5 years old.
5 years old. And does she go to English medium school?
I don't send school.
Oh yeah, yes. And ma'am, every single day I also follow. I also watch your YouTube video. You also make the video every single day, and after that also you share the video on WhatsApp group. And ma'am, every single day, how many sessions do you take?
Sorry.
How many sessions do you take every single day?
Two, three, like this.
And do you upload every single day on your channel?
Yeah, one video I upload single day.
Yes, yes, yes. You are right. And ma'am, and you also teach few students and online or offline, and maybe also you have a lot of experience about this language. And please tell me at the beginning time when you started your English speaking journey, at that time, what kind of method did you follow? Did you follow the mirror technique or others?
No, earlier days I wanted to know about that grammar rule, all rule. Like when I started watching video, so in their video tell some people, some teachers. Today I am going to share with you what is fillers and phrases and idioms and all things. So I was very confused, like where to start my speaking. So that time I realized I have to do. But one day, you know about that person, Gyanendra sir.
Yes, yes.
Gyanendra. So I
Yes,
talk. So he told me you can speak, you can start your journey, your daily routine. Your daily routine about yourself. Really, I started this journey from daily routine, and a little bit one by one week I have a little bit confidence, like how am I speaking my daily routine and how to ask question of my daily routine. So gradually I do this work, and yeah, day by day it is improving. So I have built my confidence, and this journey is continue, and now I am here.
yes, yes. And ma'am, right now, what is your future plan?
My future plan is to become a good speaker, but not it is my future plan, like I have to achieve my that goal. uh, Through this goal I can share my story on Josh Talk, on any stage, big stage. So yeah, that's all my like my dream. Like I was very excited, like when I will share my story.
Yes,
And
yes.
that story, some people attract me, and some people like impression. I want to become impression that person.
Yes, yes. This is nice also. And all right, ma'am, it was nice conversation with you. Yeah, we are talking about 20 minutes. Yeah, you also told, you also speak very well. Yeah. All right, ma'am. It was nice. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Yeah. All
Thank you.
right. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day, sir.
Yes.